Hi, my name is Diane and this is Out and About with Diane. And this is my dog Bruce. Bruce, say hi. Bruce, say hi. Bruce. Bruce. When he is not scavenging for food, we are out and about traveling, but for the last year we've actually been living up here in Big Bear, California. We took some time off. But last year we actually hopped around from friends' driveways to driveways, trying to fix my Trailblazer more times than I'd like to admit. But we are still fixing it up here in Big Bear, but we took some time off and it's been great. Most of you know I got sick in the beginning of 2023 and I have faced a lot of challenges since then, mentally, physically. All of 2023 really sucked. I was taken advantage of, my dog got sick, my car broke down more than I even want to admit, which I'm still working on. And since September of 2023, I have been here in Big Bear, California. So just to break it down, last year I got sick in the beginning of 2023. I had a ectopic pregnancy and my fallopian tube ruptured, which put a strain on my hormones. And if you're a female and you know the hormone situation, then you know. And I hopped around basically trying to find places to fix my car. Now I've been trying to balance my regular personal life and figure out how to get back into the swing of things. But I think grounding myself and figuring out my mental health and trying to just become healthy was really important. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've had regular updates. If you follow me on Patreon, then you got this video a little bit early. But yeah. Now Bruce has been with me the whole time. He's actually really enjoyed Big Bear, and I think I've enjoyed it too. I met someone here, and not that I'm settling down, but we might have a partner with us coming up on our journey once we get the car fixed. We've been designing a trailer together, and it should be a really good time. Anyways, the adventure continues. My adventurous spirit has been knocking at the door lately, and we're about to hit the road, so I hope you stick with us on our journey. We might have a +1 on our journey, so that should be fun too. Someone to help us out. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get this show on the road. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.